We're doing it again. Jason Stretch from Legendary Automotive and Truck Service in Fort Myers, Florida. Last year we gave a vehicle away to a deserving member of our community, and we're about to do it again. This year we're giving away a minivan that's low mileage and will provide some great transportation for somebody that gives beyond themselves. What I need from you is this. I need nominations. Everybody here in our community knows somebody that gives beyond themselves, whether it's helping out at the church or kids after school programs, just giving back. So please send your nominations. Take some time to visit our website, www.legendaryfl.com. Take a look at what our previous car giveaways have done for people. And if you'd like to get involved, we're always looking for other older vehicles that are still in fantastic shape that with some care, we can turn around and give somebody. We're also looking for gas cards and some help with insurance for this person's first year of ownership because they most likely haven't owned a car for quite some time. LegendaryFL.com. You can send your nominations through the website. Really appreciate your help. Thanks so much.
Trust Legendary Automotive and Truck Service, your premier family-run auto repair shop, where your vehicle will be inspected and repaired by master technicians using state-of-the-art technology. Contact us at legendaryfl.com or call us today.